All right. Good morning, billionaires. Happy Sunday. We back. We back. We back with another GJ markup for the week. Listen, GJ been doing some awky things, honestly speaking, right? But I could see some nice, momentum potentially looking to come into this market. Right. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. Let's take a look at GJ on our weekly time frame, right? Because we are looking to analyze what's going to happen on the week. Right, looking at this price, we do have price in the overall uptrend. This price has been moving up. We got low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we did see this pullback start to happen 2 weeks ago on GJ. Now, looking at this market, this price is right now in a pullback or moving to the downside. But what we see is, right, we know that this price is in an uptrend and we're starting to see some exhaustion. Right, we saw this price attempted to push down, but buyers had so much momentum they came and pulled it all the way back up. Right, again, sellers attempt to push down, buyers push back up. And then this past week that just passed, right, this previous week, we saw a market attempt to sell down, and then buyers came and pushed this market all the way back up. Excuse me, and even flipped this candle inside out, right, allowing it to close bullish. So with that in mind, right, this to me looks like exhaustion on our weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and drop down to our daily and get a closer look at what's actually happening here, right? So when we drop down to our daily, I do have my zones marked off. We got our upper zone and our lower zone, our supply and demand, right? And just taking a look at this market, right, we can see once price came and tapped into this daily zone, this is where it began to reject, right, or exhaust, right? We got a wick exhaustion here, exhaustion, and then we see this nice bullish candle came and pull all the way up, right? We even see price one more time attempted to pull back into this low, right, into this zone before then going ahead and again flip it inside out to close bullish. Now, technically, when we're looking at this market, let's drop to our 4-hour. Technically, and this is where we want to really start to, analyze the market, right? As this is going to be, more so where we're looking to trade as day traders as opposed to our daily and our weekly time frame, right? But looking at this market, our 4-hour is telling us this market is technically in a downtrend, okay? We have high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, and then now price looks like it's, attempting to move to the upside. Now, what we can see from here, technically this price is still in a downtrend, right? Because our highs have been respected, right? None of our highs have been broken, right? So we're technically still in a downtrend, but, right, what we do see is now from this low, we now see a higher low. And to me, when I see something like that, that tells me, all right, there's a good chance that sellers are losing momentum and buyers are looking to come in to take control of this market, all right? Again, we also know that we have this daily zone down here that price was exhausting on our higher time frames, right? So all of these things we want to start to piece together and they make sense, right? Our lower time frames are right now correlating with our higher time frames, all right? So looking at this market moving into the week that's to come, personally, what I will want to see is going to be a break above our previous high, right? Which was here around, what's this, like 163 area, 163.8. I would want to see a break above this high, right? Until we see a break above this high, we want to stay patient because, right, if we zoom in here, we can see a bit of some rejection of this high, right? We're going to need to see price break above this high, right, before looking to take any positions, right? Because what could happen, we could reject this high and we can start to, play around here and then go ahead and get that break up, right? So we definitely want to wait to see, price break above this high before doing anything drastic and looking to hop into the market with crazy positions, all right? If price does, attempt or want to move to the downside, we'll want to see a break of our previous low, which was over here, right? Daily low. Let's see what I did at 162, right? Quarter or whole levels are going to be a little bit more a little better for, you know, what we're looking to do here, right? But what we can see is if we get a break of this previous low, potential retest and a move to the downside, if price does want to, you know, continue this bearish move. And I would mark up a daily zone down here as a target, right? Around 15900 would be bearish projection if market does, you know, attempt or want to move lower, right? Like we said, we do appear to be holding structure pretty well on our higher and lower time frames for a price to attempt to move up, right? So let's just stay patient, right? Let's not force any trades. Let's stay patient and objective in the markets this week. Let's see what it gives us, and let's catch some pips. Hope y'all trading has been, you know, going well. Hope y'all have been having some solid trading weeks. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and the Discord, right? Discord, we give, you know, weekly analysis written out. I give midweek check-ins, all that good stuff. So y'all could go ahead and subscribe to the Discord if you want that extra info. But yeah, with all love, I'll see y'all next week.